Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moses Adeyemi. I'm a multimedia content creator. So I'll be taking you through how to import your videos, your pictures into VN Editor. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comment on the next video you want me to make. So once you open the VN Editor, you see a plus sign. So you click on it. So once you click on it, you click on the new project. So once it comes out, so you see a video base. So clicks continue. So once you click the continue, you see your items which you want to import. So you look through your gallery to pick which of the video, which of the pictures you wanted to import. So you patiently select your clips and you click on the forward arrow button so to import it. So just look through the way I'm scrolling to look for the clips which I wanted to import. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give your comment on the next video you want me to make with the VN Editor. So once you are done selecting, so you click on the blue arrow, so it lead you to the timeline. So once you're on the timeline, so you have all your clips and your videos, so you can do whatever you want to do with the clip. So that is all for that, for you to import your clips, your pictures into VN Editor. So please don't forget to like, once again, subscribe, and leave your comment. See you in my next video. Bye. Enjoy the music.